Touch is working. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayman the Repair Tech channel. My name is Ayman and today I have an iPhone 6s. The customer who brought it here is a shop. He told me that the phone has a backlight issue, but actually I cannot see the Apple logo. Whenever you have an backlight issue, you should see the Apple logo with no light. So let me connect it to the power supply and check if the phone will turn on and I will get the Apple logo or not. I'm trying to turn it on from the power button, but it's not turning on. Okay, let me use the iPower cable, and yeah, it's consuming amps, it's drawing amps, and now it should be on. Oh my god, it's on. And backlight is fixed. No, come on. This is not backlight issue. The guy yesterday, he was telling me, try the phone, check the phone, and I was so busy to check it. But this is not a backlight issue. There is backlight already, so there is lines in the screen, and I hear that the power supply is roaring very loud. That means the phone is consuming too much amps. And if I put my finger now on the CPU, I'm sure that the CPU is very hot. Now the phone is turned on, you can see it, but the touch is not working. We have a problem in touch, not the backlight. We have a problem in touch circuit. There is a short causing this zebra lines. So let's check the phone under the microscope. Someone did a very lousy job to the backlight filters, but at least it's still working. But this is like very crappy job. Some solder here on the connector. Visually, I cannot see something else. Normally, those caps here for touch, they quite often get shorted. So let's check the diode mode measurement. Okay, this one not supposed to be short. I get 0 voltage drop to ground, which means good connection to ground. That means this pin is shorted. Let's check where this pin is going to. It's going to this little cap and then this filter, and from this filter to where? To U4000. U4000 is the display chip, and this cap as well. I see someone already removed the cap. So, no, not that cap. It's different one. It's connected to this cap. So the cap or the chip is creating a short. The easiest way to find out which one, visually I can see that the cap looks good. I see that the chip is changed before, some solder here and there, and solder board, solder ball is down there. But let's remove the cap. It's easier to remove the cap than remove the IC. Remove the two caps accidentally. I will put another after I finish. Now let's check if we still have a short. Let's check the positive line, and the short is gone. So it's this cap. This cap was the reason for the short. Let's check the phone now. Voila! No more zebra lines. And the phone is consuming normal and stable amps, not same before. Before was drawing too much current The phone was getting very hot, and the power supply fan was roaring very loud. But right now it's very stable, consuming between 300, 400, 500 milliamps. Before was using more than 1 amp. Touch is working. So now let's put those two caps and check if the power button working or no. Let's get those caps from donor board. Let's check for short again, because maybe one of those caps, maybe they are shorted already, and I don't get any short here, and I don't get any short there, so that's fine. This cap, the pad is ripped off, but it's okay. I just ripped it by mistake, but it's coupling capacitor, and the circuit will work just fine without it, no problem. Now let's check the power button. Pad number 2 on this connector is responsible for power button. Let's check the diode mode reading. Should have 500 millivolts, and I get 500 millivolts. Why it's not turning on? Let's connect the phone again to the power supply. The phone is turning on by the power supply, by the iPower cable, but when I press the home button, the power button, it's not turning on. So we just need to connect the power supply to the phone and connect this pad to ground and see if it will turn on. And yes, it's turning on, consuming amp. The phone is turning on. So maybe the power flex cable on the chassis is damaged, or maybe I didn't connect it quite well. Oh no, it's damaged. It is. You can see now. It's corroded. So this cable need to be replaced. I will give it to my staff to replace it. I want to send a message to the technician who tried to fix this one before me. You was one cap away to get paid for this repair, because he already do jumpers for the filters for no reason, and he already replaced the power IC power chip for the display. So he done most of the job, and I get credit for it because I got the knowledge to know which part is damaged, not just trying to fix things randomly without knowing what I'm doing. This repair took around like less than 30 minutes, and it cost around maybe $50. And my work here is done. I'll see you next one. Bye guys.